Hi, Mr. X with glossary term multiplicative inverse, the reciprocal. The inverse of a number with respect to multiplication is the number that we multiply times to bring about unity, to get 1. Any number, x, any number, any real number, can be put over 1. X is the same as x divided by 1, so that's x. If we multiply times 1 over x, we call this fraction the reciprocal of x. And when we multiply them together, we get 1. A couple numerical examples here. 5 times 1/5 equals 1. 185 times 1 over 185 equals 1. This is the multiplicative inverse of this, and this is the multiplicative inverse of this. We could start with the 1 over. 1 over 3, that would be a third, times 3. Well, of course that's 1. 3 thirds. What if the number isn't over 1? What if we start with a fraction? What if we start with 4/5? What's the reciprocal of 4/5? Well, this is easy. You just flip the fraction top for bottom. You sort of flip it over. Now that's going to give us 1. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we just keep the top on top, 4 times 5. Keep the bottom on the bottom, 5 times 4. Well, sure, if these factors on top are the same as the factors on the bottom, we're going to get the same thing top and bottom, and whenever numerator and denominator are the same, that's 1. One more for show. 3/71. That's an odd little fraction. 3/71. Well, if we multiply that times 71 over 3, we don't even have to do the multiplication. We know that's going to be 1. I mean, I suppose we could take the 213 divided by the 213. It's just 1. So what does this have to do with the multiplicative inverse? This number is the multiplicative inverse of this number. Likewise, this number is the multiplicative inverse of this number. Learn the language of mathematics at MrXmath.com.